to check the IPO allotment status. Before this, you have to check your payment message to know where your IPO registered on BSE or NSE. If your IPO is registered in BSE, then you need to check your status on BSE website. Here it is. I opened the BSE website. Here you have to fill details. Issue type, click on the Equity Radio button. Click on the issue name drop box. Select your IPO. I'm gonna click on Idea Forge. After this, you need to enter your application number or PAN number. Verify the checkbox and then click on Search button. If your IPO application allotted, then the number of shares will be mentioned here. Not yet updated now. If you get record not found, it does not mean your IPO is rejected. Your application might be registered on NSE. Still, you are registered on BSE. Sometimes it happens because data is not uploaded on the BSE website. In this case, you have to wait for the whole day and check the status time to time, or wait for the next day. What if your application registered on NSE? Here is the NSE website. If you already have an account, enter your mail and password and click on Login. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button. Here you need to fill the details like name, date of birth, mail ID, PAN number, mobile number, address, city, state, country, PIN code, and a strong password. Now log in into the website. After login into the website, enter the details and click on Get Data. There are some more websites to check the IPO allotment status. FinTech and Link in Time websites to check the status. I am gonna drop all the links in the description box. Kindly check it.